Hey, it's Jess. I hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to take a moment to review your products with you that you took home just a week or two ago to make sure that you're still remembering how to use them and that everything's going great. Sometimes when we get started with new stuff, we forget or get a little bit confused. So with the Miracle Set, whether you took the whole set or a part of the set, just a quick review, you have the cleanser. And so that's face wash, cleanser. It's the one that kind of suds up a little bit, has an exfoliant in there. You're gonna use that twice a day. So if you got your face wash, you're gonna wash your face morning and night super fast. You can do it in the shower, you can do it at the sink, but it can become just a part of your routine, super, super quick, but it is massive for getting all of that sludge off of your face. So important. So morning and night, you're gonna wash your face. And then there's the day cream and the night cream. You may have gotten both, you may have gotten one. They can be used interchangeably. It's really 6 of one, a half a dozen of the other, right? Either you use one and it runs out twice as quick, or you use both of them and they last twice as long. Either way. That daytime cream is giving you the SPF protection though from the sun, most likely, unless you had a sensitivity. There is the non-SPF version, but you're getting that sun protection, you're getting hydration that will last you all day long and help your skin to feel great all day, as well as help your makeup to last longer and look better. It does also have brightening factors to even out your skin tone and give you a nice glow through the day. So that's the day cream. You would use that right after you wash your face in the morning. And then if you have the night cream, you're going to use that one right after you wash your face at night. And it's very motivating to want to wash my face because I want that night cream because it is tightening and lifting while you sleep. It is the replenisher for your skin. As your skin does its thing while you're sleeping, it takes it to the next level and it helps to even out and smooth, improve the complexion or the texture of your skin. It's powerful. So you definitely want that night cream. And then the eye cream, of course, you can use morning or night. And you're just patting that real nice around your eyes with your ring finger because it's the most delicate. And that is best for brightening. So it's going to brighten up your eyes. It's going to help with the fine lines, the loosening, sagging, all that kind of stuff. No, thank you. So be sure and apply that if you purchased it morning or night each day. And literally my routine at night, I'm gonna remove my makeup with my makeup remover, wash my face with cleanser, put on night cream, and then as I head to my bed, I'm patting my eye cream in. So it is quick, it is simple, it doesn't take a bunch of time, but man, you'll see some great results. So I hope that you're already enjoying your products. If you have any questions, remember, let me know. If there's something that's not feeling quite right, there are a lot of options. We can adjust, we can tweak, and that's my job, is not to leave you high and dry and run off with your money, but to truly make sure you love your skin and you get the perfect balance of moisture and all of the benefits that you're looking for. So I hope it goes well and keep me posted.